Learning Recovery Program. Okay, an International Learning Recovery Program is intended to recover what was lost, the gap in learning. Kaya, one of that, if I notice, on the previous 2 years, we have implemented the National Learning Camp every summer, right? Now, the problem is sometimes, as I'm giving you my point of view, not that it's point of view, but my point of view as a supervisor. Itong National Learning Camp natin, we have been putting in so much budget for this. In fact, for our division alone, yung last year na allocation namin, we reached 2.1 billion for the National Learning Camp. This is used for production of materials, at the same time giving allowances to teachers. Kasi ang teachers, they're not supposed to have their duty during summer break. Pero pina-duty sila as volunteers. Now ngayon, we're giving them 250 per day. But just imagine, what is the impact of this program? No? Ang problema, number one, the policy